Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aika. If you're new here, welcome. I have a double Chanel unboxing. I picked up two new pieces from Chanel this week, actually on Monday, and then the second one on Wednesday. A couple of days ago, I posted a shopping vlog, the first shopping vlog after the quarantine. If you haven't watched it, it's gonna be linked up here and in the description box. Make sure to watch it as well if you're interested to see people and shops and new collection. The reason that the first stop after the lockdown was Chanel is because of the price increase. Everybody knows about the price increase, everyone talks about it. I was so afraid that they're gonna increase the price on this item because it is already so expensive that I had to go on Monday. It was actually the day they increased all the prices, and luckily this wasn't one of them. Anyway, let's begin with the first item. And let's start with the main item, right? It's more fun. So it's in this humongous bag. It is quite heavy as well. So I went there on Monday and the store wasn't that crowded. There wasn't a lot of people. I think I was the third person in the store, so that was nice. Funny thing, once we entered the boutique, before we entered actually, they had to check our temperature to see. So the maximum temperature you can have is 37.5. We were good, so they let us, wow, so they let us come in. The service was exceptional. It was so good, and the essays were just lovely, and I bet they just miss customers so much. But here's the huge box. You all know what's inside. It's, if you watch the vlog, it was so predictable that I'm getting this bag, but let's do this together. Okay, this is too complicated. I can't. I need to see everything. Where's the second one? No. Oh no, what is going on? Okay, got it. So we have the box. Also, what was nice is that they gave me a card. They also said that I can come back later to pick up more cards. I never use them. I have a few of this and I just keep them because they're so pretty and I like to have them. And then they've also added a couple of extra camellias. I thought there was another one, but I guess she only gave me 3 extra ones. No, 4. Yes, I was right. So I got 4 extra camellias. I know you can do a lot of DIY projects with them. I never tried. I don't know. I never tried. But they're so pretty and I'll try putting them somewhere, maybe on my mirror. I don't know. But that was really, really sweet of them. And now back to this box. I haven't opened it, so I'm so excited to see. Oh, there is another camellia right here. Usually they just put a sticker, but this time it's an extra special one. Okay, so they put camellia on a sticker. I always try to be as careful as possible with the packaging because I find it so beautiful and I really don't want to damage it. Oh my god, are you seeing this? Ta-da! Ooh, what's up with the light? This light is so much better, but this is so pretty. We have the dust bag, and then we have the baggie. Okay, let me put the box down. Oh wow, it is perfect. And this is the first time my bag is wrapped this nicely. Usually it's just a bag inside, whatever. But let's remove all the paper. So beautiful. This is my new Trendy CC in this beautiful baby blue color. Everybody calls it a Tiffany blue color, even I do because it looks so similar, but it's so perfect, right? It's so beautiful. So this is my new bag. It's in size small. They had a variety of different colors. I showed them to you in my vlog. They also had a black one, but in a larger size, and I thought it was just a little bit too big for me, and I just generally prefer smaller handbags. And I saw this one. I actually saw this bag on the website, and I immediately fell in love because of how beautiful this color is on this bag. It just looks extra girly and extra special. It looks like a cartoony bag, something out of this world, very delicate. I mean, I look at this color and I already see how delicate this bag is, and I know I always tell you that it's safer to go for something sturdier, but in this case this bag always comes in the lambskin. It doesn't exist in caviar leather, but I think if it did, it will look a lot different than it does now. But I actually prefer this bag in the lambskin. It just makes it look even more luxurious and more special, and it looks so fluffy and so soft. I just adore this style. So Trendy CC has been around for about 3 years now. It's quite an older style, not that old, but older style, but it is still trending. It is still trendy. I always adored this handbag, but I could never pull the trigger and get it because of the price. It is quite pricey, and when I heard about Chanel price increase, I was so scared because it felt like the last train to jump into. If there were a price increase on this handbag, we wouldn't be filming this video now, but luckily there wasn't. And everybody was telling me to get the blue Trendy CC, and that one looks so beautiful. But first of all, my mom loves it, and I don't want to get a bag that she wants, you know what I mean? But second of all, it was slightly defected. It had a lot of creases at the bottom, which didn't look nice. You can see that it's puffy. It looks brand new, fresh from like the oven. So that one was a lot flatter, so I could see that that bag was in the store for quite a long time. The plaque didn't have the sticker, the protective film, so it was already scratched, and the bottom part was all creased, and it just didn't look new. It looked used, and you know, paying full retail price for something that's not perfect is ridiculous. And that's why I've decided to go for this one. This is also a part of the new collection. It's the new color. I just adore it. It has a Mona Lisa pocket at the back. It is so smooth. I don't think I'll ever use it because it's just so delicate. Here on the plaque there is still a sticker on. I will remove it afterwards when I start using the bag. For now I just want to keep it here on the bag. And then when we open it, we have another sticker over here, the Chanel. Everything is in leather. It's a full leather handbag. And then we've got some paper. So the strap. And it has 3 compartments on the inside. So 2 larger ones over here, and then a slimmer one in here. It also has a zip pocket in here with the authenticity card. Yes, here it is. It's the 29 series, if you can see. I think it was from the 20p collection, if I'm not wrong, but it is currently on the website. You can see it over there. It also has this beautiful strap, and it's a shoulder padded strap, so it's not supposed to dig in the shoulder. I love the length of this strap because it's a perfect crossbody strap. It's not too long, but it's not too short to the point you can't wear it crossbody, and you can hide it if you don't want to use it. You can definitely pull it back inside the bag just like so. It's very easy, and then you can just keep it inside the handbag in one of the pockets. So let's just put it in the main compartment, and then this bag turns into a top handle bag, and you can use it like this. I'm thinking of putting a twilly on the handle, again because it's just so delicate and I don't want to damage with my sweaty hands. They don't usually get sweaty, but when I'm nervous and I will be nervous carrying this bag around. They sweat. I feel like I've been talking for so long now and we have another item to unbox, but this is the bag. It is gorgeous. I am so happy that I managed to get it. I will have to be a little bit careful with it because of how delicate it is at the back, so probably I won't be able to wear it with darker denim or black, or if I can, I'll try to find some product to protect the leather at the back. I'm gonna have it linked in the description box with all the prices and everything in different countries. I'll try to find that information. There was no price increase on the Trendy CC, so if you're interested in this bag, I think it's time to go and get it. There won't be any price increase on this handbag for the next 3 to 4 months, that's for sure. That's what I've been told in the store, so you have time. And also they're releasing new colors for winter and they'll be coming out probably in August. And yeah, let's move on to the next item now. The next piece that I bought in this bag, it's a pair of shoes, and in the vlog I actually mentioned that I'm going to buy shoes to match the new handbag, and I saw them in the store and I immediately thought that these two are a perfect match and I need to get them, but they didn't have my size. But they said that I will receive more pairs of shoes in the upcoming 2 weeks, and they received my size on Tuesday, which was so quick, like the next day. And yeah, I went in, tried them on Wednesday and bought them because I thought they were a perfect match to my bag. This baby blue color is something very new to me. I don't have anything in this color, no bags, no clothes, nothing pretty much. So that's why I wanted to get a pair of shoes in the matching color so I can match them. And generally I like to match my shoes to my handbags. At least I try to. It doesn't have to be from the same brand, but I mean color wise. And that's the box. So the shoes that I picked up are the espadrilles in the same color as the bag, and here's what they look like. It's this tweed espadrilles. I love espadrilles. I used to have 2 pairs. I got them in size 38. So if you're in between sizes, I recommend going for a size bigger. So if you're 37.5, go for 38 because 37 will be just too small. And there are no half sizes in espadrilles. These are in tweed, full tweed, but I love that the tip was in black because this way I can style them with darker outfits like black. Even if I'm not gonna use the Trendy CC, I can style them with another blue bag from my collection. I think it will still look very nice. And now let's see if they actually go together and match. What do you think? They sort of do. It doesn't look like it. It looks like the bag is just slightly lighter, but actually if you take a closer look at the espadrille, so it's like dark blue, black, and then this baby blue. So I think they will look good together. Now let me try both of them on and I'll show you the mod shots. So these are my 2 new purchases from Chanel, and I'm just so happy and excited that I got this handbag and I found the matching shoes, because sometimes it's just so difficult to find something so similar to be able to pair them together and style them together. But yes, I am beyond happy. I have no words to describe how excited I am and how beautiful this handbag is. It is truly a special piece in my collection because I have nothing like this. It is very elegant, very girly, and the color is just beautiful. It's amazing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing and follow me on Instagram. I post there daily all of my eye candies. This one will be on there too pretty soon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!